What's up everyone? My name is Ankur, and in this video we're going to learn how to download Java JDK using your MacBook. So let's get started. Go to Google Chrome or any browser that you prefer. Then just type in download Java JDK. And then you should always, go and use the oracle.com, and it should be the first website that comes along. All right, they always ask for these cookies. I always say required cookies only because they don't want, you don't want them to be spying on you. I'm gonna go to JDK download Java SE15. That's what I'm gonna go for. So I'm gonna go Java JDK download, and I'm gonna look for Mac OS installer, which is a .dmg file. So you can just click on that, and then you can review and accept, and just click on download link right here, which should download it pretty soon. All right, so now that you have your Java JDK DMG file downloaded, put it into a proper folder. What I like to do is I would like to create a proper folder, which is I'm gonna name this Java JDK, and then I'm just gonna go inside and paste it here. Once I paste it here, all you need to do is just double click this thing, continue, and then install. It's gonna ask you for your password. You enter your password and then wait for it to get installed, and that's it. Well, that's all you needed to do. All right, so how do we check if we have your Java installed properly? You go into terminal, type in Java -version, press enter, and it should say Java version this thing. So yep, that's the version that we have downloaded, and we're done with this Java installation. So thank you for tuning in, and my name is Ankur. This is Sine Cos Theta. Please like this video if you have learned something new, and subscribe. I'm going to be posting more videos on Java tutorials pretty soon, so stay tuned. Thank you.